And of course, these lights are from Novsight.
And then finally, we're gonna do an install on some 3-inch pod lights from Novsight.
Novsight reached out to me and they sent me some 3-inch off-road LED lights.
They sent me these a while ago, and I'm just getting around to installing them because I wasn't comfortable doing it by myself.
Novsight, they sent me over some light cubes that we're going to be utilizing as fog lights on the winch bumper over here.
So far, Novsight has proven to me that they make a quality product, and it's one that I'm not afraid to recommend to you. One thing I do like about Novsight's product is they do package it in a quality way.
We've got a product we're going to open up. These are Novsight 3-inch cube lights. We're gonna mount them up on Seth's Jeep here and test them out. They got cool little screens that fit pretty nice.
Novsight was kind enough to send me some LED off-road lights for my 79 Bronco. Here it is. Now this comes in a really nice box, I gotta say. Super nice.
And I'm just gonna install them and show you guys the difference between the ones that I have and these ones here.
All right, we got our package in today from Novsight.
Novsight sent out these 3-inch LED pods to upgrade my setup, and spoiler alert, I've already got them installed.
Novsight. These are well made.
Very nice.
All right, let's get on it, folks.
So when they told me they were going to send me another set of lights, I was super excited because these are awesome lights.
It is a great look. Now you can tell these are a little bit bigger than the lights I've been running right now, and I like that. I like the actual size and the way it kind of flows with the bigger headlights on the JL.
They're lightweight, but they're also made of metal. These have amber light covers, which is what I'm probably gonna use primarily on this setup.
We got the lights on. You can't really tell how bright they are when you're looking at them like this. It just all washes out. But when you look behind, like you can see how much it really lights up that.
Hey Seth, what do you think?
I like these lights, they're cool.
These lights are awesome. Oh, that's cool.
So I'm going from this to this.
Mirror lights, got that much light, so not bad. But I want to just take a second to tell you that I'm honestly impressed with these lights. They're super bright, way brighter than my old setup, which you might have seen on some videos or Instagram posts.
Just put some ivory on. That's gonna work. Let's go see what they look like out on the trail.
Look out there right now. This is just with the spot beams. You can see the 2 spots. And then I turn that off. That's floodlights.
And I can honestly say, testing them out as much as I haven't had any issues. And obviously, they're extremely bright. So I can't really ask for much more. And for the price, you just can't beat it.
Oh my goodness. I like how this looks with the Raptor lights as well as 2 fog lights, and then you have the red with all the other red on the truck. I am really digging this.
I was supposed to do an unboxing video for this, but actually I was so excited to have LED lights that I just went ahead and installed them.
We have lights. Look at that. Now, to be fair, they're not completely straight because my bumper is not completely straight. That's very helpful for off-roading at nighttime.
I think they turned out really nice overall. What y'all guys think? Got them both on there.
Really feel sorry for the first person that comes at me on the highway and doesn't turn their high beams off. I'm kidding, I would never do that. I am confident in Novsight's product, and I'm not just saying that because they sent me the lights for free. They are a good light. If I did not like the product, I wouldn't have put it on the vehicle, or I would have taken them off.
We like these lights. He took them out, we ran them. They're super bright, they work out awesome. I love the amber shields that you can stick on them for dust.
I think these are a great addition to my Bronco. They're awesome, and especially for this thing because it's so old.
These are great. I'm definitely going to be using these when I'm driving around. I'm definitely not going to point them in people's eyes. Going to keep the covers on them too, just in case.
Holy mackerel. That is insane. I am really impressed with these lights.
I mean, if you get on Novsight's website, I mean, you can get these mirrors for cheaper than you can just buy some mirrors. I mean, my mirrors before costed more than these mirrors, and they didn't come with lights. So that's how great of a price they are.
They're not making me say these things. These lights are way brighter, have a lot more durable construction, and let's just face it, they're a lot damn sexier than the other lights I had on here.
You know, if you live in a city where they pick on you, you can black them out. You know, I was thinking of using these for the side cargo doors for when I'm cooking, but they're so nice. I just think I'll have to mount them up front.
I thought I'd point that out. Super cool people. They're super nice, so go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check out these lights and everything else they have to offer.
So, adventure is calling. This is
Woo! Look at that.
Come with amber covers and the wire harness, like I said.
Covers you can put on, or you can leave on the amber covers.
Everything's always packaged really nice, which I'm a big fan of, just because one, it looks more professional, it looks nicer.
So here's the 2 pod lights. They come with a protective cover, it looks like. So we're gonna do just that. First of all, here they are.
now big shout out to Novsight for sending these out to
Novsight.
Novsight.
These are Novsight.
I am confident in Novsight's.
Novsight.
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 So looking at the lights right there, look at those. I really like the design of that. Sexy.